Hello, my name is Corey, Customer Support Manager with Keystone RV Company, Customer Service supporting Dutchman and Crossroads. Customers will sometimes ask, what do the different weight rating abbreviations mean? Did you know that the Recreational Vehicle Industry Association, or RVIA, has adopted the following definitions? GVWR, or the gross vehicle weight rating, means the maximum weight limit of the unit. The GVWR is equal to or greater than the sum of the unloaded vehicle weight plus the net carrying capacity. The UVW, or unloaded vehicle weight, is the weight that the unit is built at the factory. This includes full fuel tanks, full generator fuel tanks, engine oil, and coolants, if applicable. The UVW does not include cargo, fresh water, LP gas, or dealer-installed accessories. The NCC, or net carrying capacity, is the maximum weight of all personal belongings, including food, fresh water, LP gas, tools, dealer-installed accessories, and other items that can be carried by the unit. The GCWR, or gross combined weight rating, is the value specified as the maximum allowable loaded weight of a tow vehicle and a towed trailer or towed vehicle. And remember, we are always here to help.